Introducing a superior backup and disaster recovery solution for your company. Our network-attached storage device provides enterprise-class business continuity without the enterprise-class price, and you have the option to seamlessly store data off-site as well. Network-attached storage, or NAS, fits the needs of mid-sized companies by delivering a price-performance combination that's superior to either high-availability clustering or the tape solutions that are currently used in many business continuity plans. While server clustering is out of reach for most companies, tape has been widely implemented as a universal backup system for small and mid-sized businesses. Let's take a look at how tape lacks the recovery speed to minimize downtime. First, there's the question of tape's untested reliability. Analysts have said that over a half of tape backups fail, so there's a high probability that if you need to restore from tape, you'll be out of luck. Second, even if the tape does work, the numbers are not in your favor for rapid recovery. Looking at the recovery point objective, RPO, and the recovery time objective, RTO, tape backups often provide snapshots every 24 hours, meaning an entire day's work could be lost. Plus, by the time you restore the file or server from tape, your business will likely experience 24 to 48 hours of lost productivity. Third, tape backups can be very restrictive for infrastructure growth. Because of the way a typical tape system operates, it requires a significant backup window of time to complete a full backup. But with businesses needing 24/7 access to valuable systems, overnight backups are no longer feasible. This leads to incremental backups, where the only saved data is that which is new or has changed since the last backup. While incremental backup is a great method of shortening backup windows, it requires all the tapes made from the last full backup to restore system functions. That's where our business continuity appliance comes in. Our NAS device is the perfect complement to an existing tape drive, allowing for a quick disaster recovery process. This device requires no backup windows, leaving your critical business systems up and running. Our NAS appliance can take snapshots of servers every 15 minutes for better recovery point objectives. Then, if the server crashes, our business continuity solution can restore server operations in less than 30 minutes using advanced virtualization tools. Let's examine how our NAS device is the ideal business continuity appliance. It all starts with ones and zeros because the device uses reliable and efficient block-level transfers in its snapshots. This allows our solution to take a true and complete snapshot of data, applications, and operating systems at the most granular level on a hard drive. Next, our NAS appliance produces 15-minute incremental snapshots that safely reside within the device, ready to be used to restore a file folder, an email, or a database, all in less than 5 minutes. Now let's look at how our solution keeps your business running if, for instance, an email server goes down. Because the device takes snapshots every 15 minutes, administrators can choose a point in time shortly before the problem occurred, and with just a few clicks of the mouse, this appliance allows you to activate it as a virtual server to keep business processes up and running while you diagnose the problem and plan a course of action for the down email server. In the event of a catastrophic server failure, our business continuity solution also includes a boot CD that allows us to perform a bare metal restore on new hardware in a fraction of the time of a typical server rebuild. And this NAS device will allow you to eliminate the hardware abstraction layer during the restore process so that the new drivers can be loaded on the server replacement, no matter which server brand is used, giving you speedy recovery options in times of crisis. With its unique design and programming, our NAS device allows us to have your business operation up and running again in a few simple steps. But it only takes one step to protect your IT systems and your valuable data. That's to call on us to provide you with business continuity assurance.